In this video, I will share with you best PHP script to create your multi-hospital or complete hospital management system website or software. Yes, this website AI supported or software AI supported, then this is a SaaS project. You use this PHP script, then create your own hospital management system SaaS project. As you can see, this is the complete PHP script. This PHP script is low price, just $59. This is the best and complete solution your complete hospital management system website. Check the video description because I will give you of this PHP script discount link in the video description. Please check video description, then get your discount offer link. Now I will discuss with you how get this PHP script functionality or features. As you can see, you check this PHP script demo. For example, I am now going to backend. This is our backend, like admin panel or super admin or accountant, doctor, patient, or nurse, or you access this permission. Just for example, I'm now login admin. Just click on the signing. As you can see, this is our hospital management admin panel. You control your hospital management system, everything, features or functionality using this admin panel. As you can see, you get many features or functionality to control your hospital management system website or software. As you can see, I hope you like this because this is a complete hospital management system SaaS project. Now I'm going to super admin. Yes, you add in your website super admin. As you can see, this is a super admin dashboard panel. Or now I'm going to like doctor. This is our website doctor dashboard. As you can see, emergency, patient management, dental management, or everything. Then I'm now going to homepage design. You check this homepage design. As you can see, this is our website homepage design. I hope like this homepage design. This is our complete hospital management system homepage design. For example, any kind of hospital owner register their company or their hospital, then submit here this information, then he is create automatically website. As you can see, this is this website URL. Just submit here website URL. As you can see, he is generate automatically their website URL. Okay, this is good. Then you sell the subscription package. You any kind of hospital owner or any kind of company owner purchase the subscription package, then you generate lot of money. I hope you understand. This is a complete hospital management system PHP script. So now I will discuss with you how to purchase of this PHP script. Then I will discuss with you how to purchase best domain hosting, then install your hospital management system software or website, then publish this website or software online, then start your own SaaS project or like complete hospital management system software. Now I'm now click on the add to cart. Then now click on the go to checkout. You find this source code only CodeCanyon website. Check the video description. I will give you discount link. Now you use Google, Apple, or Facebook of this create CodeCanyon account, or you submit here your own email account. Just click on the continue email, then submit here your first name, last name, email, and then password. Then create your own CodeCanyon account. I am already create my CodeCanyon account, so I am now submit here my account information, then click on the signing. As you can see, I'm successfully logging my CodeCanyon or Rimbath account. Now submit here your billing details step by step. As you can see, I'm already submit my billing details. Now I'm click on this save and continue. Then you get two international payment method. For example, you submit here your own banking card, then purchase of this premium PHP script, or you submit here your PayPal account or connect here PayPal account, then purchase of this premium PHP script. For example, I am now submitting my banking card, then I am now purchase of this premium PHP script. Now I am submit my card number, then card information. As you can see, I am sorry, this is a, as you can see, I am already submitting my card information. Now click on the pay securely. Wow, as you can see, I am already purchased of this PHP script. Our purchase is successful. As you can see, now go to download section. Then click on the download. Now download all files and documentation, then download license certificate and purchase code PDF, then download license certificate and purchase code txt. You must download 3 files. As you can see, now I am already download 3 file, zip file, txt or PDF. You must download like this 3 file. Our source code purchase and download is complete. Now next step, you need best domain and hosting to publish your website online. My personal advice, you purchase domain and hosting from Namecheap website, because Namecheap website give you best hosting. This hosting help your website super fast loading speed. Check the video description, because I will give you of this Namecheap website discount link in the video description. Please check video description, then get your discount offer link. You can find all type of hosting server on this Namecheap website. Now we will learn how to purchase a shared web hosting server. You can select the hosting server location based on your specific needs. And you should definitely choose an annual plan for better value. Here you can see 3 wonderful packages. You can choose any package from here and purchase it, no problem. However, my personal advice is that you should definitely purchase the Stellar Business package or number 3 package, because in this package you get automatic backup and cloud storage, which is very important for every website. Also, you get a free domain with this package. Now we will purchase the 3 package or Stellar Business package. For this, we have to click on the Get Started button. Now we can choose a new domain for free. For this, you will need to enter any domain name of your choice here. Here you can see that you can get this domain absolutely free. You can choose any domain of your choice. Then we will connect this domain to our hosting. Now we need to click on the Add to Cart button. We must confirm the order. Now we need to create an account on Namecheap. For this, we need to submit the correct account information here. We have submitted the information correctly. Now we need to click on the Create Account and Continue button. Then we have to submit our own address here step by step. You must submit your own address here step by step. Now we need to click on the Continue button. Then we will select here. Now we will click on the Continue button again. We can purchase domain hosting using various international automatic payment method. For example, you can pay through PayPal, or you can pay through various type of international card and various cryptocurrency. Now we will learn how to make payment via banking card. For this, we need to submit the correct card information here. Now we need to confirm the purchase by clicking here. Then we will confirm all our information by clicking here. Now we must click on the Continue button. Now we need to confirm terms and conditions of the Namecheap website. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking the Pay Now button. We have successfully purchased domain and hosting from Namecheap. So let's go to main dashboard of our hosting panel. Then we will go to hosting list section. Now we can easily log in to cPanel by clicking on this button. As you can see, this is the cPanel dashboard. Now I will discuss with you step by step how to install your hospital management PHP script in this cPanel, then publish your website online, then start your SaaS project business, then sell your package. Now go to file manager, then go to public HTML folder, because we will upload our all PHP script file in this public HTML folder. Now go to upload section, then I am now going to download section. As you can see, we will download already 3 file. Now extract this zip file, open extract folder. Now as you can see, this is our most important zip file. We will upload this zip file in our public HTML folder, then go to upload section, then click on this select file. Now go to extract folder, then upload this zip folder, multi-hospital zip folder. As you can see, our zip folder is uploading, so now wait some time. As you can see, now our PHP script zip file uploading is complete. Now click on to go back to. Now we will extract this zip file, then click on the extract files. Okay, our zip file extract is complete. Now delete this zip file, then delete another files. Now go to extract folder. As you can see, this is our important all files. Now select all files, then drop and drop public HTML folder. Okay, then delete this folder. As you can see, our PHP script file uploading is complete in this public HTML folder. Now you go to your browser, new tab, then enter your domain name. Now open your domain. As you can see, our website is error because we will not add in our website database information. For this, open your public HTML folder, then go to application folder, then go to config folder, then open database.php, then click on the edit. Now click on the edit. Now scroll your mouse, then submit here your database information. Now we will learn step by step how to create database in your cPanel or hosting panel. For this, find out database section, then click on the database widget. Now enter your database name. I enter database name data, then click on the next step. Now enter your database username. I enter database username user data, then I am use password generator. Now choose this password. As you can see, I am now choose this password, then copy this password. Yes, I am using this password, then click on the use password. Now go to your database.php, then submit here your database password. Now click on the create user. Now copy database username, then paste here username section. This is a very simple, just you follow my video step by step. Then copy database name, then paste here database name section. Now connect username and database name. For this, click on the all probabilities, then click on the make change. Okay, our database create is complete. Now enter here host name, localhost host. Okay, now click on the save change. Our database information submit is complete. Now click on the your cPanel homepage, or go to your cPanel homepage, then go to PHP myadmin, because we will submit our SQL file. Your most important question, how to find SQL file? Just go to database folder. As you can see, this is our SQL file. Okay, now go to database name. As you can see, we will create already this database. Okay, now click on the, then go to input section. Now click on the choose file, go to database, then upload database SQL file, then click on the input. As you can see, our database submit is complete. Now reload your browser. As you can see, our website is completely ready. Now go to again use cPanel dashboard, then find out PHP version. As you can see, go to select PHP version, because we will now change our PHP version. Okay, wait. Now select your latest PHP version. As you can see, I am selected latest PHP version 8.4. okay, now click on the apply. Now again reload your browser. Okay, our website is work. Now complete your hospital management system software. Now login your admin panel. For this, click on the login. Submit here your login information. Now your question, how to find out login information? This is very simple. Just you open documentation file. As you can see, just click on it, then open your browser, then open documentation file. As you can see, this is our documentation file. Now copy this admin login information, then paste here, then copy password, then paste here. As you can see, you view any kind of website like super admin, admin doctor, this password or email. As you can see, I am now logging main admin panel. Okay, as you can see, this is our admin panel. Now we will change this admin panel password, because this is the most very important. Just go to profile section, then at first change admin email. You submit your own email, then submit your new password. Now click on the submit. Okay, our admin password is changed. Now you control your website everything, features or functionality. As you can see, you get step by step many features or functionality. Then control your hospital management system software or website. As you can see, you study step by step this functionality or features, then you learn completely this functionality feature, then manage your website. As you can see, now go to configuration section. This is the most very important. Then go to system setting. As you can see, you change your website location or everything, many important features functionality. Then add here your payment gateway. As you can see, you get PayPal, PayUmoney, Stripe, Paystack. You get many international payment method. Okay, then change here your website design. Just click go to website setting, then change your website, like go to general setting, change website logo and block text like copyright section, apartment button setting. You change everything just using this admin panel. Okay, this is a complete hospital management system software. I hope you understand. You create like this website, then you lot of earn money, because you sell your own premium subscription package. As you can see, you change or edit this subscription package, then sell here this subscription package many hospitals owner or company owner. Then you earn lot of money, create like this website. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching this full video.